I have to show you guys. Look at my deal, it's coming up. My little tiny deal rocket from Dollar Tree is working. See the little deal that's coming up? Yay! And look at my cabbage. It's looking beautiful. And I've got all these here. And all these, well, I just planted these yesterday. There's nothing coming up. Nothing coming up on these yet, but that's okay. I just planted them. And the eggplant, I don't see anything coming up on the eggplant yet. But ooh, how exciting. Look at my little grow planting area. How cute is that? I did plant my oregano in that big pot up there. I just planted it today, so I don't have it under the light, because you don't really need it under the light unless it's come up already. So the dill and the cabbage, so far so good. My garden's gonna be so awesome this year. I can't wait. I'll keep you posted on it.